guys. Look at this fish. All right, guys, so this is day one of the Folsom Lake pre-fish. It's gonna be a 3-day thing for me, a Thursday, Friday, Saturday. They're constantly letting water out, so there's a hell of a current going on. It's cold out here. I mean, it's not as cold as it has been, but it's still pretty nippy out. We got a high today of 65, bluebird sky, so at some point today, I'm gonna be removing layers. It's gonna be super sexy. It's gonna feel good, man. It's gonna feel like spring, kind of. A lot of debris in the water. Water is dingy, so I'm thinking that these fish, because I mean, I'm primarily going to be fishing for spotted bass. I don't think I'm going to waste my time going and looking in coves, you know, because the water's so dirty, you aren't going to be able to see beds. So I don't think I'm going to waste much time with that. I'm just going to go after spotted bass and try to find some cleaner water. And yeah, that's kind of my game plan for the day. I'm going to do a lot of graphing. A lot of live scoping, and I'm just gonna go from there. So stick around, and hopefully we get on them today, man. I mean, the conditions are right to get on them today. Friday, I mean tomorrow and Saturday, you know, will be the tougher of the 3 days. So today I'm expecting it to be a good day and to catch a lot of fish. So let's see what we do. If you're not already too, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you all very much. Thank you. These fish just don't want to bite today, guys. Okay, watch the screen. You can see my jig go up, come down. It's coming down. There's a fish. Oh, the fish came up for it. There's a ton of fish in this grass. Nothing wants it. Alright guys, I knew I should have stayed back here all day. Nice little smallmouth. My graphs died like an hour ago. You're lining up wrong. Line up parallel. You can cover more water. Look at all these logs. There's whole damn trees in the water out here. That's going to be the hardest part, is finding places that are accessible to fish, because I mean, it's just crazy. It's like matted with just thick trees and debris. I mean, everything's coming down the rivers over there, you know, because it splits and just flushing right into the main lake. And a lot of it is just sucked up to shore, and it's just super tough. Yeah, you see your breath outside. That's when you know it's cold. This looks like a good little spawning bay for largemouth back here. Water's quite a bit warmer too. Throwing a little 3.2 swim bait. Ooh, there's a bite. On a, got him. I don't have my net ready. Choked it. Choked it on the jabberjaw. Yeah, this fish is white, man. First spot. Nice one. On the jabberjaw, guys. Look how he ate that. He just inhaled it, and he was up super shallow. Super shallow. Where did he get it? I thought my shit broke. I was like, what the fuck? Slow and steady. Never mind. I need my battery to last all day.
Maxed out, dog.
Are you really?
No. But my battery's an Amazon battery, so I really can't juice it if I want to make it back at the end of the day, you know? Yeah. I thought my shit broke, my fucking little piece.
You can see him right there. Looks like a solid one. Getting a good return on it. Kinda thinking I'm gonna go a little shallower for this fish. Got one. Fish number one. 13 minutes it took me. We're not messing up again. Wow, this guy. Oh, I don't even know what you did. You just killed yourself. No. Okay. Stupid ass fish. Alright guys, wasn't recording. Number two.
Stole my fish.
I stole Josh's fish. Stole my fish! Alright, I'll leave you alone.
You're not casting me. I don't know what I'm looking at.
You're not looking at anything, because I'm not looking at anything. They're literally sitting in the grass, Josh. Wasn't planning on doing that. Hopefully, oh yeah, dive through right to shore. Oh, stupid ass. Oh. Oh, that was retarded. Can't believe I did that. Retie your baits, folks. Guys, look at this fish. Look at this fish. Look at that thing. Holy crap. That's a big fish. We're gonna get a weight on him. There's a tank, man. It's a 5-pounder. All right, say goodbye, guys. Mr. 20 inches. How are we supposed to get back to the ramp at the end of the day? Holy crap. I don't know. What's going on, Greg?
How are you?
Nice to meet you, Anthony.
Anthony, nice to meet you. I got 5 bites all day. Yeah? Yeah, it was tough, man.
You got 5 bites all day and you managed to get third?
Well, actually I got 7 bites all day.
You guys go up the river?
Yeah.
I knew it.
I went there yesterday and did good.
On a whim, though. We came here yesterday and we all skunked yesterday, except our buddy Terrence, he got 2, but we skunked. Our buddies Mike and Alden skunked.
Yeah.
So we didn't even know what to do today. So
were you guys just fishing coves in the river? Because that's what we were doing over here, but it got blown out with all the logs and
it was cleaner up there. I think that made a big difference. It was like main lake points for me in like 5 foot of water.
Yep.